And what I'm gonna do today without the baby bros, it's just so obvious what I'm gonna do with the baby bros.
Well, maybe I can call the baby bros over. Well, I know baby Luigi's over here, but I need to call baby Peach and baby Rosalina so they can come over and do something cool. Or maybe, should I say, something fun. Guys, this is the Friday Night Funkin.
Alright, now where are the baby bros? Oh, there they are. Only some of the baby bros. Hey guys, what? Did you just pause there? Oh, Guess hear the doorbell? Good answer. Okay, well, oh, whoa, what the heck? You don't have to barge in like this, bro. Oh, what'd you say? You said you wanted a rap battle? I will get you a rap battle, shall we? Well, it's really weird you don't know. No, never mind. It's not actually questions. Let's just get this over with. Did I hear a rap battle? Oh, wow. I'm really gonna have fun with this. Just what you guys see.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was a good rap battle. That was really a good rap battle. I haven't got your name yet. What's your name? Oh, Dix. Boyfriend? That's kind of a good name. I don't know. Nobody names like that, but yeah. Wait, what the heck? Is this guy broke into our house? No, he just wanted the rap battle. What, you want a rap battle? I never wanted a rap battle. I wanted a rap battle my whole entire life. But, wait, what was that? Oh, yeah, I think he said he was, like, tired or something. I can see it against Billy Bill. Okay, but it's gonna be a little hard, Peach. Just enjoy it. Alright, let's do this crap.
3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go.
So Bill just needs to jump in. So bad, baby Peach, Jesus. Well, looks like I'm gonna go keep going. Oh, boyfriend, what are you still doing here? You did up the. Oh wait. Oh no. I'm stepping in. I'm in. Baby, I'm in. Oh crap, baby Luigi. Oh no, boyfriend, you gotta get out of this one. What do you mean you don't want to leave? You can hold it. Baby Mario, get out of the freaking way. I can handle this. Punk. Hi, boyfriend. Let's do this. Let's rap battle, shall we? Get the music on. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Can't believe you bet me, boyfriend. Jeez. You have a girlfriend? Why is she a girl? I mean, a girlfriend? Why? Where is she? Oh, she's gonna be in there in the next video? Oh, yeah, okay. So, we're actually gonna make a next video of this final fucking. So, boyfriend's gonna stay here for the night. Yeah, everyone's happy. Now, you're going to rap battle later, and you're going to rap out all of us. Now, that's going to be a cool challenge. Yes, boyfriend. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy that. And go in the comments who you think who won.